So the brand new Apple iPhone 15 just came out this week, and while going through the feature list on GSM Arena, I noticed that Apple mentions that it's got 2x telephoto button in the camera, and when you use this, you kinda get photos as good as if they were taken with a dedicated optical zoom lens camera. This is possible because Apple is now using a 48 megapixel sensor rather than the 12 megapixel that they used to. And this is exactly what Samsung has been doing for a couple of years now. The Note 20 Ultra had a 100 megapixel camera, and now the S23 Ultra has a 200 megapixel camera. Yet, the 2x telephoto button is missing. This is because Samsung has hidden this feature away. But thankfully you can easily unlock this and enjoy the 2x telephoto button in the camera. Let me show you how. Alright, so to enable the 2x telephoto zoom in the camera, you'll need to go to the Galaxy Store and download and install the Camera Assistant add-on from here. And if you already have it installed, you might want to update it because this is a fairly new feature. So after installing and updating, launch the Camera Assistant add-on, and from here enable the first option which says Optical Quality Crop Zoom. So this is gonna add the 2x telephoto option in the camera. Now when you take photos using the 2x telephoto zoom, the phone is actually taking photos from the 200 megapixel sensor. So what's happening is that the phone is cropping the photo that is coming in from the high resolution sensor. And because the pixel count is so high, the photo looks as good as if it was taken with an actual optical zoom lens. So let's take two photos for a comparison. So we will take one without any zoom, and we will take the second photo with the 2x telephoto option. So let's do a side-by-side comparison, and you can already tell that on the right we've got the photo that was taken with the 2x telephoto option. So which one has more detail? Well, let's zoom in to 100%. And yeah, there you go. That's shocking. You can actually read what's written on the buttons on the photo that was taken with the 2x zoom, but you can barely make out on the other one. So yeah, that clearly shows you that the high resolution sensor does have its advantages. That's why Apple has now shifted to a 48 megapixel camera. The 2x crop zoom does actually give you a photo which is as good as if it was captured with a dedicated telephoto camera. And we can see similar results in this photo as well. Just look at how clear the text is in the photo that was taken with the 2x telephoto camera versus the other one. I'm also guessing that the phone is doing some enhancements behind the scenes to make the crop photo look nice and clear. But anyways, I absolutely love this feature. It is awesome. And at the moment, the dedicated 2x telephoto button is only available on the S23 Ultra, which is really strange because the Note 20 Ultra has a 108 megapixel camera. So I think if they want, they can easily add the 2x telephoto button to this phone as well. But you know what? I think this is exclusive to the Ultra variant of the S23 series because I've also got the vanilla S23 which I use to record all my videos on, and even this phone doesn't have the option to add a 2x telephoto button in the camera. So yeah, definitely exclusive to the Ultra variant of the S23 series at the moment, but hopefully we will see this feature appear on more Samsung smartphones in the near future. Anyways, I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And this is Tech Guy Charlie signing off.